Hello everyone. My name is Michał Parkoła, and I'm here with Michael Doherty. We are the co-hosts of the AI in Organizations track, and today we are speaking with Greg Rook. Hello, Greg.
Hi guys, great to see you. Thank you for the invitation.
Great to have you. So, in this session, we'll learn about going way beyond simple chatbots. But if you are interested in that, there are also other sessions in the Global Agile Summit that touch on those topics. Don't miss, for example, Dave Westgard's talk about Vibe UX, where you can learn about creating prototypes nearly as fast as ordering food from McDonald's. So check out all the sessions at globalagilesummit.com. And now it's time to focus on our speaker and our topic. Take it away, Michael.
Yeah, so Greg, really nice having you here. I'm very impressed by what you've been doing. And so my first question has to do with productivity. If you meet a team or a company not using any AI tools for whatever reason, what would be the first thing you'd want to show them to show the power of AI?
Yeah, first I would say that it's great that they have a huge opportunity in front of them to excel their work and productivity because I've been doing this in different teams, smaller and bigger, and introducing basically people to AI. Or also structuring their AI usage because nowadays it's just like simple chat GPT or Claude and they don't know how to kind of like streamline the work. So one of the first things that I would show is probably very simple tasks that you can do with AI. The way it goes is you start with conversation. So most of the value that we get from AI currently is in the brainstorming, the conversations that you can have, not the outcome. Many people try to jump very quickly to the outcome created by AI, whether this is like a website generator or maybe a copy that they can post on social media. This is completely how this is not completely not how I usually work with teams. So usually the outcome always comes from a person, but the process we have AI that's heavily involved in the process. So the first thing that I would show is how you can effectively use models and different models because understanding that there is different tools and different models is very important to this game. So it's important to know why Claude might be best for the task, why ChatGPT or maybe API usage of AI might be important for that kind of task. So I think the basics is understanding different models and providers, and then showing very simple examples on how you can create and brainstorm with AI so that the outcome is so much better. So this is the first thing. There is a lot of shiny things that you can show with AI, creating like one prompt website, one prompt tool or internal tool or a dashboard. The thing is, very often you can create it one shot and then you have like impressive results. But then you fix it for 2 or 3 months in order for this to work in production. So I don't really love, specifically like showing off with those examples because I know where the value in AI is for me and my teams, and we are a lot more advanced, and we'll talk about that probably, but we need to take it step by step. And the first step is conversation with model, and the second step is bringing context and basically learning how to treat AI like a junior assistant, not like an oracle, not like something that will do something for you, but like an assistant, from there step by step, learning how to give a lot more context so that you get meaningful answers and later on actions that AI can do for you.
Excellent. Yeah, that's really interesting. So you mentioned one prompt shots that you would not recommend starting with, but they can still happen in various contexts. You mentioned talking to AI in one way or another, but that adds up to a lot. And if you put on top of that monitoring like new things that are happening, that can easily lead to overwhelm. And just working with all of those AI tools, like you have to feed them the context, you have to feed them your answers. Like they can build for you. You can have multiple streams running, but that can easily lead to overwhelm. And you personally, you've been juggling multiple serious projects for years, like way before AI. Now it's possible for many more people. So how do you manage that?
Yeah, I do use AI